Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fine. As we are doing the revision of unit number 1, that is Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. In the revision of this unit today, we will revise the concept XC, that is learning about language, and it is on page number 8. Here in this act, we will revise some concepts. First of all, we will read the statement given over here, that is, in book 2 you learned about nouns, adjectives and verbs. Do you remember what you learned about nouns? Here they are recalling us the concepts of nouns, adjectives and verbs. We have already read these concepts in book 2, and now they are asking from us about, do you remember what you learned about nouns? So here we have to recall the concept of nouns. What are nouns? We have read this definition of nouns, and we have learned the concept of nouns, that noun is a name of a person, place or a thing. For example, dog is a name of an animal, so it's a noun. Or a chair is the name of a thing, so it's a noun. Lahore is the name of a place, it's a noun. So in the same way, there is given an example over here. The noun, there is given a short definition of noun. A noun is a name of something. Example, the girl sat on the fence. Here girl is a person and fence is the thing. So I hope so that you have already learned about what is a fence. When we have read this unit, we have already discussed that this boundary around the fields is called fence. So let's come to our concept of nouns. The girl sat on the fence. Here girl and fence are the nouns, because fence is a name of a thing and girl is a name of a person. The underlined words are nouns. They are things. Now let's move towards the question number 1, that is, write these sentences in your notebook in the correct order. Here are given some sentences and they are not written in the correct order. So we have to write these sentences in the correct order. So for this purpose, let's first have a quick reading of these statements. The man took a note out from his pocket and gave it to him. The taxi went off down the road. A taxi arrived and the man got in. He was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. The driver asked him for some money. The bus did not come. The taxi arrived at the house. From this quick reading, we got that this is a type of short story about a person and a taxi. That here was a person waiting for a bus, but did not arrive, and a taxi came. Then the man got in. Then the driver asked for some money from the man, and the man gave a note to the driver, and they went off down the road, and they arrived the house. So you will write this story in the sequence, these sentences in the correct order on your notebook. I have brought these sentences on a notebook for your clear understanding. Here you can see this is unit number 1, Dorothy meets the Scarecrow, XC, that is learning about language. And question number 1, write these sentences in your notebook in the correct order. I have brought all these sentences in the correct order, the story that I told you, according to the story that I told you. He was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. Here we are discussing a man who is sitting on a bench and waiting for a bus. The bus did not come. A taxi arrived and a man got in. Here in this picture you can see that a taxi arrived and a man got in. The driver asked him for some money, and the driver asked from the man for some money because he is going to have a journey. The man took a note out from his pocket and gave it to him, and this man gave a note to the driver. The taxi went off down the road. Then the taxi went off down the road and the taxi arrived at the house and the man reached his destination. So in this way you will write these sentences on your notebook. Now let's come towards the question number 2, that is, now underline all the nouns in the sentences that you just wrote down. So what you have to do over here, you have to underline the nouns in the sentences in these sentences that you have just wrote on your notebooks. Now on this page you can see some nouns that are underlined. So in this way you have to underline the nouns on your notebook. Here in the first statement sentence, that is, he was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. So in this sentence, here bench and bus are the names of the things. So these are nouns. So you will underline these two nouns in the first sentence. Then the F statement from the book, that is the second one in the correct order. The bus did not come. So here bus is the name of a thing, so we will underline this noun. Next sentence is, a taxi arrived and a man got in. Here taxi and man are, taxi is the name of a thing and man is the name of a person. So you will underline these two nouns. Next sentence is, the driver asked him for some money. Here driver is the name of a person and money is the name of a thing. So you will underline these two nouns in this sentence. Next sentence is, the man took a note out from his pocket and gave it to him. Here man is the name of a person, note is the name of a thing, and pocket is also the name of a thing. So you will underline these three nouns in this sentence. Next sentence is, the taxi went off down the road. Here taxi and road are the names of the things, so you will underline these two nouns in this sentence. Next part G is, the taxi arrived at the house. Here taxi and house are the names of the things, so you will underline these two nouns over here. So in this way you will write down these sentences in the correct order and you will underline the nouns in these sentences like this. And I hope so that today's lecture was easy for all of you and you have a clear understanding of this lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.